This week in AI, absolute madness. From live sports commentary by AI to infinite video generation and even smarter mobile assistants, the future is happening way faster than you think. Let's dive straight into the biggest breakthroughs you need to know. Researchers at the National University of Singapore have developed Live CC7B, an AI model that can deliver real-time play-by-play sports commentary faster than many humans. Unlike traditional models that learn from clean sentences, Live CC7B trained on messy real-world captions, which taught it natural timing. The result? Less than half a second of delay and performance better than models 10 times its size. All on a single mid-range GPU. Switching gears to filmmaking, Alibaba introduced Uni 3C, a system where the AI-controlled camera and animated actors move in perfect harmony. By merging 3D depth maps and using a clever control module, they eliminated weird sliding movements, creating stunningly realistic video scenes. This is a massive upgrade for anyone frustrated with stiff or disjointed AI-generated clips. Tired of your AI video generators crashing halfway through? Sand AI unveiled Magi1, which chunks long videos into smaller pieces for parallel processing. Thanks to smart optimization and shortcut techniques, you can now generate full 60-second videos at high resolution, even on consumer hardware. Skywork took it even further with Skyreel's Wave 2, a bold system aiming for infinite video. It continuously overlaps frames, ensuring seamless transitions. And you can even stream videos live while they're still being processed. Although it demands serious hardware, the realism is unmatched, getting close to professional Hollywood quality. At ETH Zurich, researchers created Anom Portrait 3D, a tool that turns a simple text description into a fully animated, blinking, and speaking 3D avatar. It's polished enough to drop directly into game engines like Unreal or Unity, a giant leap for virtual creators and game developers. Microsoft rolled out Wave 2 of their Copilot tools, introducing specialized agents, researcher that can hunt down information without flooding you with tabs, and analyst that acts like a built-in junior data scientist inside Excel. Plus, Copilot can now search Slack, Confluence, and Google Drive, and even summarize all that into a podcast you can listen to in traffic. Good news for iOS users. Perplexity launched its voice assistant that works with your favorite AI models, GPT-4, Gemini, Claude, and integrates with apps like Spotify and Uber. While it's not hands-free yet, it's a massive step forward compared to Siri. OpenAI quietly increased limits for GPT-4 users and introduced a lightweight fallback model to save compute costs. Meanwhile, BYU launched blazing fast, budget-friendly AI models, giving powerful performance at a fraction of OpenAI's prices. In a fascinating twist, researchers at EPFL developed TopoLM, an AI that self-organizes its neurons just like different regions of the human brain, making future AI systems easier to understand, debug, and control. ByteDance unveiled UTAR 1.5, a system where AI controls a computer simply by analyzing screenshots. No messy DOM trees, just pure pixel interaction, which could revolutionize robotic process automation. Finally, a word of caution. DeepMind found that even rare, strange words in training data can quietly poison AI models, causing bizarre hallucinations. They also propose smart techniques to fix this before it becomes a bigger problem in future AI systems. If you're as excited about these breakthroughs as I am, smash that like button, drop a comment telling me which AI tool you're dying to try, and make sure you subscribe. Because next week's AI news is going to be even crazier. Until then, keep your captions synced, your AI tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.